Hello, in this video I want to show you how to find the serial number on your Homebase for the Eufy Anker 2K HD resolution doorbell. And to do this, first there's actually multiple ways we can find it, and first one being in the app. So I've added my devices to the app. Now I'm clicking on my Homebase, then going through the general options about device, and the serial number is up here. Another way to find it is on the back side of your
Homebase is switching to Wi-Fi repeater mode.
Yeah. On the back side of your
Homebase has connected to Wi-Fi successfully.
It's on the back side of your Homebase and right here. Not sure if you can see it, but yeah, it's right here as N. And another way to find it is on the box of your device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.